Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be washing this Vauxhall Corsa and we're going to be trying some products from Autoglym. The Advanced Wheel Cleaner is a wheel cleaner that's also got a fallout remover in it. You're probably not going to want to use this every single time you clean your wheels. If you regularly wash your car, you're probably only going to use this once a month, maybe every other month, depending on your mileage. But we're going to give it a try and see how we get on. I've also got the easy sprayer that you can buy from Autoglym. This is basically just a rebranded IK sprayer. I like the idea of having this as a separate sprayer just so I don't get any cross-contamination. With these pump sprayer bottles, you don't want to fill them all the way to the top because when you're pumping you won't get any air pressure and therefore it won't spray out. So we're going to fill it up to about 2/3 of the way with the chemical and then we're going to spray around the wheel. While that's dwelling, I'm going to spray some APC around the wheel arches and around the tyres. To clean the tyres, I'm using a Halfords tyre brush. I've also got 20 ml of Autoglym foaming shampoo in the bucket to help lubricate the brushes as I agitate the Advanced Wheel Cleaner. Now that the wheels are done, we're going to sort out these door shuts. I'm going to use some Autoglym APC and a brush to agitate. When cleaning the door shuts, I generally turn the pressure washer all the way down. I then gave a generous covering with the Autoglym APC, loaded up the brush. And as you can see, it foams up quite nicely and really did help shift the dirt. You can see the APC foaming up nicely here. Now we're going to use the Polar range to wash the car. This is a snow foam, a spray-on shampoo and then a spray-on spray-off sealant. Let's see how we get on. First up is Polar Blast. This is mixed at 100 ml of solution to 500 ml of water into the snow foam cannon. As you can see on the side of the bottle there are markings and it also tells you how much to put in. So I now have my 600 ml solution. We're going to snow foam the car. Using the Autoglym snow foam cannon with the Polar Blast gave a nice thick foam and a nice long dwell time. After 10 minutes it was time to rinse off the car, get rid of all that foam. So now we come on to the contact wash. We have Polar Wash. It's a 50-50 mix and it says 250 ml should do the entire car. So we're going to put 125 ml of Polar Wash, 125 ml of water into here. Spray the car, we'll get some wash mitts, go around, clean the car and then rinse off. To wash the car I'm using the Autoglym wash mitt. The Polar Wash gave it a nice feel and did a very good job of lifting off the dirt. As you can see, the other side of the car is starting to dry out a bit. The day I washed the car was actually quite a cool day, so I'd advise on a hot day spraying the panels one at a time as you wash them. Time for another rinse to get rid of the Polar Wash. Ready for the Polar Seal. So now that we've rinsed off and while the car's wet we're going to apply the Polar Seal. So we put 200 ml of water, 40 ml of Polar Seal, spray it all over the car and before it dries spray it all off. Now the only thing left to do is dry it. Look at that beading action. To dry the car, I'm going to be using the drying towel from Microfibre. For washing the glass, I'm using Autoglym Fast Glass, and I'm also using the Crystowel from Microfibre. Now the outside is nice and clean, it's time to take a look at the interior, and for that we're going to be using interior shampoo. I've got a couple of soft brushes, and I like to colour coordinate my towel, so I always use green towels for the interior. So I use a dedicated cloth for the pedals. I don't want to use that again on anything else, because who knows what you stepped in when you've then gone and stepped on your pedals. Grim. For the carpets, I'm using interior shampoo and a Maguire's carpet brush. No car's properly finished until you dress the tyres. We're going to use the Autoglym High Performance Tyre Gel and our little tyre brush. Has a very pleasant scent. I think the Advanced Wheel Cleaner did a fantastic job of bringing these wheels back to life. The Polar range made free washing and protecting the car a very quick and easy process. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, give it a comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you in the next one.